Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is a bathroom. The bathroom is clean. I go to the bathroom. Where is the bathroom? The toilet is white. I need the toilet. Please close the door. The sink is small. I wash my hands. The water is cold. Turn on the water. Turn off the water. The soap smells good. I use soap daily. The towel is soft. I need a towel. This towel is wet. That towel is dry. The mirror is big. I look in the mirror. The shower is hot. I take a shower. She takes a shower. He needs a shower. The bathtub is full. I like warm baths. The water is warm. Fill the bathtub, please. Empty the bathtub now. The shampoo is new. I wash my hair. She washes her hair. My hair is wet. Use this shampoo, please. The toothbrush is blue. I brush my teeth. Brush your teeth now. He brushes his teeth. The toothpaste is fresh. I need more toothpaste. The bathroom floor is slippery. Be careful on the floor. The mat is on the floor. Wipe your feet, please. The cabinet is full. Open the cabinet door. Close the cabinet door. I put things in the cabinet. The light is very bright. Turn on the light, please. Turn off the light now. I clean the bathroom today. The bathroom needs cleaning every week. She cleans the toilet bowl carefully. He wipes the mirror with a cloth. We need to buy more soap. They go to the bathroom often. My bathroom has a small window. The window lets in fresh air. Open the window after your shower. I dry myself with a towel. The towels are in the cabinet. We have 3 towels in here. Hang the towel on the hook. The hook is behind the door. I put my clothes on the shelf. Do you have toilet paper here? We need more toilet paper today. The toilet paper is almost finished. Where do you keep the toilet paper? I wash my face every morning. She washes her face before bed. The face wash is on the sink. My skin feels clean and fresh. I look at myself in the mirror. The bathroom light is not working today. Can you fix the light for me? He is taking a shower right now. She is brushing her teeth in there. We are cleaning the bathroom together today. I will take a bath this evening. You will feel better after a shower. They are going to paint the bathroom. She is going to buy new towels. The drain is blocked with hair now. I need to clean the drain today. The faucet is dripping water all night. Can you turn off the faucet tightly? Hot water comes from the left faucet. Cold water comes from the right faucet. I like taking showers in the morning. My brother likes taking baths at night. The bathroom rug is soft under my feet. We wash the bathroom rugs every 2 weeks. I keep my razor in the cabinet. He shaves his face every single morning. She uses a hairdryer after every shower. The hairdryer is very loud and noisy. Where do you put your dirty towels? I put dirty towels in the laundry basket. The laundry basket is in the corner now. We have many bottles in the shower area. I use conditioner after washing my hair completely. The conditioner makes my hair feel very soft. Do you prefer showers or baths at home? I prefer showers because they are much faster. Baths are relaxing after a very long day. The shower curtain keeps water inside the bathtub. Please close the shower curtain before you start. Water is going everywhere on the bathroom floor. I need to mop the floor after showering. The mop is in the closet next door. My sister spends a long time in there. How long do you take in the bathroom? I usually spend about 15 minutes inside. He takes very quick showers every single morning. The bathroom smells fresh and clean right now. I use air freshener after using the toilet. The air freshener is on the small shelf. We should open the window for some air. I put on my makeup in the bathroom. She keeps her makeup on the countertop. The counter is next to the big white sink. I need more space on the counter, please. There are too many things on the counter. Can you move some of your bottles away? I am going to organize the cabinet tomorrow. We need to throw away old empty bottles. This shampoo bottle has been empty for weeks. I bought new bathroom supplies at the store. The store had many different kinds of soap. I chose the soap with the lavender smell. Do you like the smell of this soap? The bathroom scale is next to the bathtub. I weigh myself every single morning after waking. She doesn't like to use the bathroom scale. The scale shows my weight in kilograms today. I need to replace the batteries in it. The mirror is getting foggy from the hot steam. I wipe the mirror with my hand quickly. The bathroom gets very steamy after hot showers. We installed a new fan in the ceiling. The fan removes all the steam and moisture. Turn on the fan when you shower, please. I forgot to turn off the fan yesterday. The water pressure is very strong in here. I adjusted the shower head to make it softer. Can you help me adjust the water temperature? The water is too hot for me right now. I will add more cold water to it. My son is learning to use the toilet. He is doing very well with his training. We bought a small step stool for him. The step stool helps him reach the sink. He washes his hands by himself now proudly. I am teaching him to brush his teeth. Children need to learn good bathroom habits early. She brushes her teeth twice every single day. The dentist says we should brush for 2 minutes. I use a timer when I brush my teeth. Do you floss your teeth every day regularly? Flossing is important for healthy gums and teeth. The dental floss is in the cabinet drawer. I will go to the dentist next month. We should replace our toothbrushes every 3 months. Old toothbrushes don't clean your teeth very well. I bought 4 new toothbrushes for our family. Each person has a different colored toothbrush now. My toothbrush is the green one on the left. Don't use my toothbrush by mistake, please. The bathroom tiles are white and very shiny. I scrub the tiles with a brush every week. The grout between the tiles gets dirty very quickly. I use bleach to clean the grout lines carefully. Cleaning the bathroom is not my favorite job, but a clean bathroom is important for good health. Bacteria can grow in dirty bathrooms very fast. I disinfect the toilet bowl with special cleaner daily. The cleaning products are under the sink safely. Keep cleaning products away from children always, please. I wear gloves when I clean the bathroom. The gloves protect my hands from harsh chemicals. After cleaning, the bathroom smells like fresh lemons. I feel happy when the bathroom is very clean. My guests always comment on our clean bathroom. A clean bathroom makes a good impression on visitors. I am going to renovate the bathroom next year. We want to install a new modern shower. The current bathtub is old and stained now. New bathroom fixtures are expensive but worth it. I have been looking at bathroom designs online. There are many beautiful bathroom ideas on websites. We will choose white and gray colors probably. I want to add more storage space too. Good lighting is very important in a bathroom. We will install brighter lights above the mirror. The renovation will take about 2 weeks' time. I am excited about our new bathroom coming. Taking care of your bathroom is taking care. A good bathroom makes your home comfortable always. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.